Blackout Bingo is a real cash bingo game from Big Run Studios that uses the skills platform for cash competitions, but that does not mean every player will make money. The short answer is yes. Blackout Bingo is a legitimate game, but you should treat its cash tournaments as competitive play rather than guaranteed income. Here's how the app works, where the money comes from, and what to check before depositing. Blackout Bingo is built around timed bingo matches. You mark numbers on your card, complete patterns, and use available power-ups while trying to produce a higher score than your opponent. The game also has free gameplay, which gives you a way to learn the controls and scoring system without immediately entering paid competitions. The cash side works differently. Eligible players can enter cash tournaments through skills, where the entry and prize structure is displayed before the competition. Your result depends on how you perform against other players, so entering a tournament does not guarantee a profit. That distinction matters because an app can be legitimate without being a reliable way to earn money. If you want to test Blackout Bingo, start with free games. Learn how quickly numbers appear, understand how the scoring works, and practice using the power-ups before considering cash competitions. Then check whether real money play is available in your location. Skills applies geographic eligibility rules, so cash features can differ depending on where you live. You should also separate an in-app balance from actual withdrawn money. Seeing $50 or $100 displayed inside an account does not prove that amount reached a bank account or payment service. A completed transaction is stronger evidence than a balance screenshot. For your own test, record every deposit, tournament entry, prize, and withdrawal. At the end, calculate the net amount rather than focusing on your largest individual win. So, is Blackout Bingo legit in 2026? Yes, the game and its skills-based cash tournament system are legitimate for eligible players. But legitimate does not mean profitable for everyone. Your results depend on your performance, the competitions you enter, and how much money you put at risk. The safest practical approach is to use the free mode first. Confirm cash game eligibility in your location, and understand the entry and withdrawal rules before spending anything. The two key points are simple. Blackout Bingo is a legitimate competitive bingo game, and cash winnings are not guaranteed. Test the free gameplay first and judge the app using your net result. If this answered your question, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 app reviews.